Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java programming series. In today's video, we are going to talk about switch statement in Java. So the switch statement provides us efficient way to dispatch execution to different part of your code based on the value of a variable. So till now we have seen if statement, if else statement and nested if else statement, and this is also important in decision making statement. So the switch statement in Java is used to execute one of many blocks based on the value of an expression. That means if you see the syntax, you will get some idea. Here expression is evaluated once. That means you will get a value inside the expression and the value will be compared with each case. So currently you can see we have two case here. So case value 1, case value 2. And if there is a match, the corresponding code block will be executed. And the break statement is used to terminate a case. Please do not worry about the break. We will see in upcoming tutorial. For now, you can understand when we are putting the break, that means our code will be break at that place. And it will try to prevent the execution from falling through the next case. And the default case is optional. In case if your case 1, case 2, case 3, nothing is evaluated, then automatically the default block will be executed. So let's try to see some examples so you will understand in much more better way. So let's declare a variable. I can say here int day equal to 1. And let's try to use the switch statement. So what you can do, just use switch and here try to pass your variable. Now what we have to put the case. So case, what we can do, just use case 1. That means if the value will be 1 of day, then this will execute. So just use this out and we can say here Sunday and try to break. Let's try to run this code. So you can see we are getting value as a Sunday. If I will change the value as a 2, then what will be happen? Here will not get anything because when we put value here 1 on that time, it satisfies this one. So whatever you will see here, this will like a comparing thing. So whatever you will pass inside the day and if this will exactly match, that means it will satisfy that block. And whatever you have inside the case, it will try to execute. So here, if I will try to give like default, so what will be happen? If nothing will be satisfied, that means that block will be execute. So let me put like invalid day. Now if you run, you'll get value as a invalid day because the day value to case we don't have at all. So how you can manage? Copy this one, come down and put the case like 2. So if you put same case, then definitely you are going to get compile time error. So here you can see it is showing duplicate case. So let's change the value as a 2 and try to run. So you can see we are getting Sunday message. Let's change this message as Monday. If you run, you will get the message as Monday. So you understand how case is working. Let's try to go with another example. So copy this whole thing and comment it. Let's change as a character and here you can put like A. Let me change as a grade so you will not get confused. So here you have to change it. Otherwise what will be happen? Let's try to run. You can see we are getting invalid day because here we are expecting value as a 1. Here we are expecting value as a 2. So let's change as a and you can put like A grade message here. Same for here B. Put the message as B grade. And in the default, let's put invalid grade. Now if you run, you can see we are getting message as a grade because whatever value we are passing in the grade and whatever this case having value, both are exactly same. That's why it satisfies this grade statement. So if you change the message as a B, you can see we are getting B grade. And if you change as a like V, you'll get like invalid grade. So I hope you understand how the switch case is working. So in the next video, we are going to see how to get the input from the user. That means till now we are putting value as a static. Here you can see, here you can see. So in the next tutorial, we are going to get the value from the user.